Hi guys, I made a DIY bird's nest. I put electrical tape around it first so you don't see bright orange through the nest. And I used random brown materials and cut up some of those marshmallow sticks. I cut them up and glued them on it. I used the old game piece and I painted on some black spots. The robins made out of felt and some painted on detail. I added a magnet so it can stick. Ta-da! You can see a little orange, but besides that, it's perfect. And I'm giving it to a friend in the family, so hopefully you enjoyed them like I did. Have a good day. Bye!